Okay, let's see if we can do this Doppler effect example really quick. So it says a distant galaxy is moving away from the Earth at such a high speed that the blue hydrogen line at a wavelength of 434 nanometers is recorded at 600 nanometers in the red range of the spectrum. What is the speed of the galaxy relative to the Earth? Well, the first thing we want to know is we want to write down that frequency is equal to the speed of light over our wavelength. Okay, now our frequency naught, as we called it, we'll call f prime, is equal to c over lambda naught, or lambda prime. Let me write that a little nicer. C over lambda prime. So, if we were to do f prime equals f times the square root of 1 minus u over c divided by 1 plus u over c, what do we get? We get c over lambda prime equals c over lambda times the square root of 1 minus u over c, 1 plus u over c. See the c's drop. So we have lambda over lambda prime equals square root of 1 minus u over c divided by 1 plus u over c, or lambda squared over lambda prime squared equals 1 minus u over c divided by 1 plus u over c. We have 1 plus u over c times, this is a number, so let's see, that's lambda squared over lambda prime squared equals 1 minus u over c. So lambda squared over lambda prime squared plus lambda squared over lambda prime squared times u over c equals 1 minus u over c, or doing a little bit of algebra, lambda squared over lambda prime squared times u over c plus u over c, if we add this over, is equal to 1 minus, subtract this bit over, lambda squared over lambda prime squared. Factor out a u over c. You get lambda squared over lambda prime squared plus 1 equals 1 minus lambda squared over lambda prime squared. And finally, u over c is equal to 1 minus lambda squared over lambda prime squared times 1 over lambda squared over lambda prime squared plus 1. And then all we have to do is plug in what we know. So let's see. Lambda is equal to 434 nanometers. And lambda prime is 600 nanometers. So now we just plug it into our calculator. We have everything we need. I don't want to plug it in. And you should get u over c equals 0.31 c. I'm sorry. U over c equals 0.13. So u, which is the relative speed we're looking for, is 0.31 c. There you go. All you would have to do is plug in your numbers here, but that's our equation. Okay? So there we go. That's how we do it.